a haul. I'm not gonna do a haul. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. You know what? What's up with her? But you know what? I'll say one thing. The girl's creative. She got a lot of good ideas. So I wonder what what has she got going on this time? I know it's something good. Stay tuned. Let's see what she got going on. I just love her. Go ahead, Rosa. You do your thing. All right, let's see what she got going on. I want to see this one.
There goes my twin again. She always got something to say. But you know what? I got something to say too. Cut. Let's start this video. Hi, welcome back to Rosa's Beauty Fashion. And yes, I thought I'd put this up on a Makeup Monday because it's makeup, okay? So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Okay, so what it is it's skincare, okay? So what happened was I went on the HSN site, okay? And you know, a lot of you have been with me for a while. You know I love Lancome, okay? And what I did was the last time I had purchased a Lancome Cream Radiance Mousse, okay, cleansing cream, what I use for my face. And this was a travel size, okay, and I also got a big one. And I only paid like $26 for both of these. And I absolutely love this, but I've been using it for a long time. And when I went on the site to order it, they actually didn't have this, okay? But you know what? Everything happens for a reason. So I'm out of it, and they actually have something new that I want to show you, and I am so excited about this, okay? So I ordered it. Almost dropped it. Okay, so like I said, it's the HSN site, okay? And on this site is really nice because if you want to make payments, like, you know, sometimes, you know, people can't always afford just to pay the full price for things, so you can make payments. So what I bought was, this is the Lancome, okay, and it's a cleansing cream, and it came in this package of 2, okay. Yeah, I was really excited to get this. Now I haven't tried it yet, but it seems amazing, and I'm always happy to get something new. And this is like amazing. The bottles are huge, and like, you know, when you get a good product, like I said, now this is a cleansing cream for your face, okay? And you only usually have to use a dot, you know, and it lathers up. So what this is it's a, let me see, I gotta get my glasses on. And I'm going to read about it. It's a Meline mousse is what it's called, and it's made by honey, okay? I hope I said that, I didn't butcher it. Meline, yeah, okay, it's made by honey. Okay, now let me tell you something, okay? I'm gonna read a little bit here. What the heck? Okay, so, okay, these bottles, okay, are, I'm reading from this thing, okay, these bottles right here are 2 bottles. They're 6.7 fluid ounces. They're a mousse foaming cleansing makeup remover, okay? But they're a cleanser for your face, okay? And what it does is it, on application of this facial cleanser that's honey-like texture, melts and dissolves makeup and purifies, okay? Once, I know, I stutter sometimes, right? Once and purified with water, it transfers into velvety mousse to remove any remaining residue. Leave skin feeling cleansed and soft. Yes, that's what I love. Okay, so like I said, I haven't tried it yet because I just finished up my other Lancome. I was very, very happy to find this. Okay, now check this out. Both of these bottles are normally $80, okay? They're having a sale. So they're $50 for both of them. I got a $10 coupon, so I paid $40 for both of these, and I got free shipping, and with tax it came to $42 and some change. Talk about amazing, right? Yeah. So what you do is, you know, which, I mean, most of you know this stuff, but, you know, I always go over it anyways because maybe some don't. What I do is, you know, in the shower, you know, I do not use washcloths on my face at all. Never, okay? I get in the shower, you know, and I usually take a makeup wipe kind of before I get in the shower and kind of take off, like, you know, my lipstick, just the base coat of my, you know, makeup. I should do a get ready, or not a get ready with me, but a makeup video, you know, skincare is what I should do, because everything's a little bit different now. But anyway, so I take off a little bit, you know, and then I get in the shower and I, you know, really put the hot water on my face with my hands, you know, and then I would take a little bit of this. Well, I used to use that, but now I'm going to use this. And I would just squirt a little tiny bit of this on. This, like I said, will go a long way. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I put way too much on. Yeah, it's like, it is like honey too. Look at this. See that? I don't know if you can see that close. Yeah. If I can put a picture on the side, I will. If not, you know, I'm sure you can see that. So yeah. And then you look at just, oh my gosh, it feels like honey. Can you imagine what your face would feel like? So then you know, cleanse your face, and it says it gets off all the residue and all that. Like I said, I'm just going to be using it now. You know, I'm going to start using it. So that's the cleanser. Yeah. And then what I do is after I, you know, just lather, kind of lather. It doesn't lather. Yeah, it does lather up to a mousse. Look at that. Just what it says it does. I don't know if you guys can see that really good, but it's like kind of, it is moussey. It's really, so I put way too much. You just need like a little tiny squirt of it. Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, it's getting white. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's amazing. Wow, it's so soft. Oh, it smells really good too. That'll last me a long time. So I'm so glad I found that. I did bring a washcloth just to wipe it off my hand, you know, but yeah, I wanted to come on and share that with you because so now, yeah, so I have that for my new cleanser, and I also have a video that will be coming up on a PR box that I got. You know, somebody sent me a product. That'll be coming up maybe in another week or so. Some other stuff I got. Okay, so now I'm really set with my skincare. Skincare is so important to me. Like I said, I don't care the money I spend on skincare. You know, that is important to me, you know. I mean, I don't think, ooh, I'm all big because I spend money on skincare, because, you know, skincare to me is very important, you know. I mean, you have to take care of your skin, you know. I don't care. It's just so important. I use masks. I use, you know, everything I can do for my skin, I do. I mean, I don't have a lot of lines. I have maybe a couple here, a couple maybe on my, you know, a little bit of starting here, but other than that, I probably would have a lot more if I didn't take care of my skin. I started taking care of my skin at a very early age. And yes, and it's very important to take off your makeup at night and, you know, use your serums and your creams and, you know, I do all of that. And I do tan a lot, you know, well in the summer, of course, but I do tan. So it makes it even more important to take care of my skin, you know. So, but yeah, so I did, like I said, I just wanted to come in and share these with you because I like to share the things that I get because, you know, maybe, you know, some of you ladies would like to try this because, you know, if you're into skincare the way I am, and I know some of you are, it's so important to you, you know, for your skin. I'm like I said, my skin is very important to me. You know, I love fashion, but hey, you can't go good in fashion without having good skin, right? You know, but no, seriously, all jokes aside, it's a very good, I think it's going to be a very good product. I can just tell it smells good, what they say about it. I will link the site down below, and then you could just maybe punch in Lancome skincare, and this will come up. As far as I know, it's still on sale. I don't know if you have the $10 off, but as far as I know it's $50. And like I said, if you need like a budget friendly plan, you can make payments on it. You know, I didn't. I just went ahead and bought it. You know, for $40, I just went ahead and, you know, bought it. But all right, so that's it. You know, like I said, I wanted to share that with you. So I try to share my things, you know, with you all. So yeah, to help people out. I always do that, you know. I like to. Sometimes I'm late. I'm late sharing some things, you know. I have a lot going on. I know I always say that, but it's true. I have a lot of blessings going on in my life, and I can't wait to share things with you guys, but it's always the right timing. Like, you know how God, it's the right timing. Well, I will do that. But anyways, stay happy, healthy, positive. Please keep your faith because God is so good. Pray on your hands and knees, and God has answered so many of my prayers, even for my friends. I mean, I've prayed for my friends. God has answered so many of my prayers, and He has blessed me tremendously. And, you know, I'm not going to say, hey, you always go through ups and downs, but, you know, be good to one another, love each other. That's what it's all about. You know what I mean? So, all right. I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.